Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need a GitHub account and an active Copilot plan or trial. This unlocks the service. Once you have that, make sure Vscode is updated to a recent release. Extensions behave best on modern builds. Next, open the Extensions pane, search for GitHub Copilot, and click Install. This begins the flow where Vscode asks you to sign in to GitHub. Follow the sign-in prompts, grant permissions, and you'll be positioned to enable inline suggestions, so you can test right away. Once done signing in, make sure to accept the GitHub permissions so the extension can fetch suggestions. Then open Settings and search Copilot to enable inline suggestions. This is why you get completions as you type. Configure which file types Copilot should run in and set suggestion count so results aren't overwhelming. You can also change key bindings, Tab, Control+Enter, or set per workspace preferences. These choices balance speed and relevance, helping Copilot deliver useful code rather than noise. Now you can use Copilot. Start typing code or write a comment describing the function you want, and suggestions will appear, except with Tab or your configured shortcut. Use short prompts or full function signatures to steer outcomes. This explains why suggestions match intent. If suggestions don't show, reload the Vscode window and check the GitHub sign-in state. Re-authenticate if needed. As a single troubleshooting tip, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. That resolves most connectivity or permission issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.